Following their 2-0 victory over Humberland in the first leg quarter-final of the Jamaica Premier League, Harbourview's coach Ludlow Bernard says his team is up for the fight. The Stars of the East are looking to retain the title. In a game that swung from end to end, Harbourview got the better of Humberland 2-0 and are now favoured to march into the semi-finals. Unlike last season when the Stars of the East finished 6th and went on to win the title, this time they will be under more pressure, especially with the bullseye on their forehead. However, coach Ludlow Bernard says it's a fight they're up for.
They have been very, very motivated to defend their title, and of course you saw an exhibition of a lot of fight here today. You know, we are definitely looking forward to defending our title, and it seems as if we're going to do it the extra hard way. If you want to be champions, then this is the stuff that it is made of, and we have to exhibit it week in, week out.
And despite goals from Odorland Harding and Ryan Wellington, which handed Harbourview a firm foot going into the second leg, Bernard is aware that the tie is not over.
2-0 is never usually a very good score line. As you observe, we probably got numerous opportunities to really bury the game, you know, and that for me is concerning. You realize today that 2 defenders were on the score sheet. We would have wanted at least another goal here today, because I think there was a time when we really had them on the ropes and they were getting a little despondent, but we didn't drive that final nail.
There is work for Humberland to be done, and it will be about throwing everything at Harbourview.
Monday we have nothing to hold back. You know, we have to go for it. So, you know, we're just going to go put it out there on the field and see where it leaves us. But with a leg to go, there's still a lot more football to play.
It's anybody's game in the other quarter-final as Dunbeholden gave up a 1-0 advantage after conceding a 7th-minute stoppage time goal which earned Mount Pleasant FC a 1-1 draw.